My name is Michael Corcelli. I'm the chairman and founder of FLAIA. FLAIA is a 501c6 nonprofit. It's a global marketplace for alternative investments, alternative investment education. We've been around since 2007. We have basically a very diverse agnostic view on type of alternative investment as well as type of alternative invest. We're agnostic to the types of deals that are on our platform. We're also agnostic to the type of investors that are on our platform. Our primary goal is to provide education and opportunities around niche alternative investment strategies. So we built a platform that has a lot of live content like you're experiencing today, as well as some live content, that's like one-off on very specific niche topics. And then a marketplace of opportunities where you can find, a very wide variety of liquidity profiles, asset classes, structures, direct investments, co-investment opportunities. Next, two slides, skip the next one and go to the, I am from a real estate family. I was born into one, and that real estate business has been combined with technology to deliver the solution that you're on today. Our organization FLAIA has done a number of lobbying activities. That's me and my family today. That's me in the early 80s on the left with a computer. Next slide. Originally from Providence, Rhode Island, came to University of Miami roughly 27 years ago. Didn't want to leave Miami, fell in love with the place, so started to work for a Wall Street firm in wealth management covering family offices. In 2006, I left UBS, started Alexander Alternative Capital, a global macroeconomic hedge fund, which is where I started to get some of the experience that I have in private funds. 2007, a group of us locally started FLAIA, and we started to work on the state of Florida, which has the third largest public pension fund. That's why the governor's in the previous picture. We freed up roughly $32 billion of capital to go into alternative investments. It was a 2.5-year process that required a lot of studies and a change of the Florida statute governing the state pension fund. Through this process, we were able to attract world-class asset managers inside of the alternative investment space, very similar to Group RMC that we're going to be talking about here in the next couple of minutes, but also on the investor side. Our first institutional investor was MIT's investment management company, their endowment, which at the time had, 12 or $14 billion. We created a process and then digitized that process into what you basically experience today. Next slide. So the organization does have a strong presence in Florida. That's where our story started, but we have over 20,000 members that are located on our platform and active users on our platform from all over the world. We've hosted over 250 digital events. We've hosted over 200 live in-person traditional events. So these numbers are a little bit stale, but through the process, we've helped thousands of investors find interesting alternative investment opportunities. And we've helped to educate hundreds of thousands of people around the world. We're agnostic to the type of deal. We're agnostic to the type of investor. So that's